Hi guys, good afternoon. So ayan, I want to introduce to all of you myself. So I have 3 minutes. Wala akong magawa. I am Marlene Dumasig, 36 years old. Maaga lang nabulok. Charot. Ayan, single, but I have 2 kids. I'm here in the Philippines. Will you please comment down below if where are you from my videos? You're watching from my videos. Oh, ano daw? Ayan, comment down below kung saan nakakaabot yung videos natin. Thank you guys sa new members sa 1,225 shares. Ayan, thank you so much sa 43% return and 57 newbie. Ayan, thank you so much everyone for always